Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video you will learn how you can easily make brush bigger. So what you want to do is just click button here and let's just paint something like here. Right now you see it's really small. So what you want to do is just click with double fingers on your screen. Just click double fingers and make it bigger. Or you can make it even, oh right now it's not big. Wait a second, it's bugging sometimes because if you just gonna click with one finger but not two, it will bug. So we need to click with double at the same time, all right? So again, double click and let's keep it small. Double click, bad. Double click, let's go big. Double click, let's go big. That's a rhyme. So this is how you can make your brush bigger in Snapchat. If you enjoyed this video, you can support and subscribe. I'll be really thankful for it. And also we can make emoji bigger. See? And then look at this. This is funny. Yeah, so this is how we can do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support and subscribe. Goodbye.